You all have played with this toy called as yo-yo. But do you know there is a physics involved behind the functioning of yo-yo? So let us see. So how does the yo-yo work when the yo-yo is released in unspools as it falls? Gaining kinetic energy and rotational energy from gravitational potential, it had to start. Yo-yo can spin really fast, around 6,000 revolutions per minute. That's about as fast as most car engines can turn over. And this is important because it gives the yo-yo gyroscopic stability, which means its axis of rotation is maintained even if there is a breeze or some little disturbance. In essence, the yo-yo has a lot of angular momentum. It continues spinning in same direction. But when we tug the string, the yo-yo gets pulled. It forms the one side of the yo-yo over the other. So now, as the yo-yo continues spinning, it binds the string to the spool and starts rolling up the string. If you look closely at the shot, you can actually see the exact moment when the string binds to the spool, preventing the yo-yo from unraveling further and falling off the string. That's all there is to it. Yeah, no science at all to release the audio. If you watch yo-yo when it is completely unspools and it continues spinning at the same high rate of rotation. But how does we catch it when it is just a string? So the way yo-yo actually rolls up is there are friction pads inside the yo-yo. These ones are made out of a silicone. You see this like little gap inside when the string goes inside. That creates friction while it's spinning. It rolls the yo-yo up. So if you can lodge the string in the gap of the yo-yo, it catches on the friction pad and the yo-yo starts to roll up the straight again. Even without the friction pads, when the string wraps around the axle, it creates a significant amount of friction in the same way that rope wraps around the bollards hold big ship to the docks. The amount of tension a coiled rope or string can hold is given by the belt friction equation. This equation shows that the force the string can exert on the yo-yo increases exponentially with the angle the string makes around the axle. So even if you turn around the yo-yo, allow us to pull it back into your hand.